Alright friends, this is our very last video for building informational writing. And I'm going to talk about the instructions. I'm going to show you an example so that you'll be able to be successful with this. Okay, so building informational writing, what I want you to do is you're going to pick a Scholastic news article. So you pick any of the articles, the magazines that were sent home, pick one article. So what an article means is when you open it up, for example, this first one, it just is one article. And then if you turn to another page, this right here is one article. This is a different article. So you need to choose one article. If you have questions on that, please dojo me and I can help you with that. You need to read the article, and then using the tabletop strategy, create your main idea sentence, your supporting details with transition words, and a conclusion. Okay, so when you do your tabletop, which would look something like this, I'm going to ask you to take a picture of it. So I need to make sure that you're doing it correctly. So don't skip over that part. Alright, number 4, you're going to write the final paragraph from your tabletop. You're going to take your tabletop and you're going to write it directly on a piece of paper. You're going to write the final paragraph on lined pieces of paper. You need to reread to check for spelling, capital letters, end points, indent your paragraph. Does it make sense? Take a picture of the tabletop and your paragraph and send it to me. Okay, so let's go through our first example. Alright, so I decided I would like to try to write about this article. It's called A Game Changed My Life. Okay, so after I read through it, and you can see I underlined some important details in this article, and also notice that there's headers here. There's 1, 2, 3 headers, so I'm pretty sure those are going to be my supporting details. So my main idea is the game of chess has changed a boy and his family's life forever. Okay, and so then I go into, it's called Escaping Danger. That's one of the headings. I talk about whatever's underneath that heading. That's my first supporting detail. First, I have to introduce the character. His name is Tan Adwinwami, and his family had to flee from their home to Nigeria to escape danger. They arrived in New York City. Okay, so all of that is inside that first heading. Now here comes the second heading. It says Game Changer. Okay. Second, Tani started a new school and learned how to play chess. He practiced for hours and met new friends. So all of that is inside of under this heading called Game Changer. The last heading says A New Home, and it talks about in this whole section how it changed his life. So third, because he won the chess championship, he earned enough money to help other refugees and have a year's rent paid off. In conclusion, chess can help change lives. Okay, so I want you to really figure out, you need to use those headers, and those could possibly be your supporting details. Okay, now I wrote my tabletop, then I'm going to put it on paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it. The game of chess has changed a boy and his family's life forever. First, Tani Adwiwami and his family had to flee from their home to Nigeria to escape danger. They arrived in New York City. Second, Tani started a new school to learn how to play chess. He practiced for hours and met new friends. Third, because he won the chess championship, he earned enough money to help other refugees and have a year's rent paid off. In conclusion, chess can help change lives. Okay, so when I'm done with this, I need to take a picture of my tabletop, and I need to take a picture of both pages of my paragraph. Please make sure that it is readable. If I can't read it, I cannot grade it. Okay? So, thank you, friends. Kiss your brain. You've got this. You've been doing it all year. You can do this.